Okay, I know you do search every day with this Google search. What if you can search on Google and earn money by doing that? This is what I'm going to be showing you into today's video. I know Google search is very familiar with everybody. You do search every day, but you haven't searched in this way. I'm going to show you today in this video to make money again and again. So, but before we move on to today's video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, because I do show you different ways to make money online and you don't want to miss out that. And also turn on notification bell button, so next time when I create fresh videos like this, you get notified. So with that being said, let's move on into today's video. So first thing we want to do is that I want to go to YouTube. First of all, before we go to YouTube, we want to pick a niche. Okay, this is very, very important. This is the first step. We need to pick a niche. So for this video, I'm going to choose the weight loss niche, and it's one of the most successful niche out there that you can tap into anytime and even right now. So that's why I'm going to choose weight loss niche. So I just want to write on the search bar weight loss. Okay guys, now I have clicked the weight loss. Next, what we then want to do after that is to go to this filter. Want to go to the filter and search for video that has been uploaded this week. Okay, after doing that, I want to go back to the filter again and click on view count, because we want a viral video, because this is what we're going to be using. We want a trending video that is going viral at the moment. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the first video here guys, and which is being published on YouTube last 7 days. So this is the video here, how to burn belly fat extremely fast, 5 important tips. So this is what I want to do now. We want to just right click and copy the link address of this video. All right guys, so after doing that, we're going to go to the next step, which is we want to go to this website here called ShrinkMeio. So this is what we're going to be using to make money. As you can see, shorten URL and earn money. So, and even at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a free app. Okay, it's going to be in the description of this video. So at the end of this video, you want to go to that and check the link, because this automated system that's going to be doing this for you without no effort of yours. So what we want to do now is that we want to go to ShrinkMeio. To register, you just want to click on register. We're going to write your username, your email address, your password, and you write your password again, and you're going to click I'm not a robot, and you agree to the terms of service, and you can start using this website. Alright guys, so I already log into my account. As you can see, as a beginner, if you log into this account, you will get $1. Okay, if you see now, let me just click on withdraw. As you can see, I already have $1 into this new account, and if to withdraw, you just click on withdraw. But you can withdraw as soon as you have $5 available on your balance. You can withdraw, and you can withdraw it with PayPal and different type of internet payment out there. So now what I want to do is that I want to go to the tools, okay, and click on mass shrinker. So this is where we're going to be pasting our video URL link, and after that we click on shorten, and you see here this is already the shortened URL. Okay guys, so now we're going to go to the next step. After shortening our video URL, now I want to go to the next step, which is we want to go to Google, and now we want to go promote this shortened URL link, because this is how we're going to get money by doing that. So what we want to do is that we want to search for weight loss forums. So we have some weight loss forums here. There are different type of weight loss forums. All you just want to do is to go and join these weight loss forums, and you can start using them like this weight loss forum. And what we want to do is that we want to sign up to this weight loss forum. I mean, we want to sign up to many weight loss forum out there, and what we want to do is that we want to start creating value to people's question. Okay, because people come here, people who really need help in losing weight, they come here and they want to know, they want to get more ideas on how they can lose weight. On this way, this is what we want to do. This is where we're going to come in, and we want to create value for all these people. Don't just come here and start spamming your link. All you need to do is to come here and create value, and after that you can now put your link into your answers, okay, and let them know that, okay, this has helped me a lot, and tell them the reason why the video has helped you, and you can tell them to now go and check the video themselves to see how it will really help them, okay. And this is the first step. And the second thing that we can also do is that, so we can go back to Google. This is the first trick I'm going to show you. You can just come here, or first of all, let's just go back. I just want to sign out on ShrinkMeio so I can show you the proof. I can show you the payment proof from people using these, okay. So let's click on the payment proof. As you can see, that you can get your money with PayPal, ATM, PhonePe, or Payer, and different more like that, okay. So let's just go to the payout rate so I can show you what I want to show you. What I want you to know is that, say, people in Greenland are earning much money for this. Per 1,000 views they get $22, and people from Ireland, per 1,000 views they get $16, and it start to go lesser and lesser than Greenland. So what we want to do is that we want to start targeting the top countries here, which is number one Greenland, and the second one is Ireland. These are the two most paid countries that we need to be targeting. And to do that, we just want to go back to this Google, which is the first trick that I'm going to show you guys, okay. I want to go back to Google and go to setting, okay. So click on the setting icon here. I want to go to advanced search. All right, guys. And then many people didn't know this trick, okay, that this is how they can even earn more money by doing this. So what we want to do is that I want to go click on the region, and we can go down here. We can see there are so many regions here. So what we want to search for is Greenland. So here is Greenland, okay. So when we click on Greenland, we now advance the search. Now we can search for weight loss forums in Greenland. So these are different type of weight loss forum in Greenland that we can join and start to target those people living in Greenland. All right, guys. So that is the trick I want to show you guys. Don't forget, you can also donate anywhere you are. Also, when you come from Africa, all you just need to do is target this most paid country like Greenland or Highland. You can in this way show them your link, okay, by joining different type of forums from there, and you can show them your link by creating them a value, and this is how you're going to earn money by doing this. So I hope you do get much value on this video. If so, please give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel so next time when I create new videos like this, you get notified. And if you think this is not for you guys, I will leave a link in the description. This is a automated software that will do this for you automatically without no effort of yours, okay, guys. So thanks for watching this video.